Okay, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you to download, I mean, how to install and download custom stories for Amnesia: The Dark Descent. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and I don't know why, because it's really simple. So first, what you need to do is go to your internet browser, type in moddb.com, which stands for Mod Database. Enter. So here, what you want to do is go to Mods, scroll down just a little bit, go to Amnesia: The Dark Descent. Let's just say Isle, or you can just not put anything in and just hit search. It'll bring up all of these. And just download this one. Just pick whichever one you want. Is this one gonna let me download it? Yes. Okay, go down, scroll down till you find latest downloads. I think that's the soundtrack. I don't think that's it. Okay. I'll just find a different one. I don't know this one? Okay. Really? This one's not gonna let me do it either? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll download Isle. Okay, so type in Isle or whichever one you want. Hit search. There it is. Click on it. Scroll down to latest downloads. Isle full release. Click on it. Scroll down, hit download now. Okay. This takes a while, so I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so we're back. Took forever. So, I just took mine out of my Steam directory, so I didn't have to wait for the download. And it was already extracted and everything. So, when you download it, most likely it'll be in a WinRAR folder, whatever thing. And you have to extract it to one of these, like just a plain folder. So, when you have that, oh, by the way, this is only for Steam. I don't know how to do it for anything else. Like, I don't know. Just, once you download your, files and extract them, go to Start menu, Computer, whatever hard drive you're on, Profiles 86, find Steam, go to Steam Apps, Common, Amnesia: The Dark Descent, and if you don't have a custom underscore stories folder in here, you need to right click, new folder. That's all you need to do. And name it custom underscore stories. Then once you have that, open that, and where's my file? Oh, right there. Just drag your normal folder into here, and that's it, okay? Once you're done with that, close that, and open up Amnesia. I hope it is recording this part. Then you hit launch game, or whatever you do. I don't know what other people do though, so. Okay. Wait for this to go on and on and on. Nordic, yeah, Nordic, I think. Okay. Select your profile, custom stories, and there it is. Custom story. Also have all these. But I love Isle, so there you go. That's how you and install custom stories. Leave a like, subscribe, favorite, whatever you want. So yeah. Oops. That was horrible.